Vibhinta once again, and welcome back to another episode of the Essential Makeup Series. So I know I haven't made a video in a long time, and that's because I've been working on something super exciting. I have been working on creating the Essential Makeup class. If you want more information about the Essential Makeup class, I'm dropping the link in the description of this video below. Check it out. I'm telling you, this Essential Makeup class was created by me so that after this you don't need any other makeup classes when it comes to self makeup. But this makeup video that I'm doing today is about how to get ready for a Zoom business call. It's 11:45 a.m. right now and I've got a call with a client in half an hour. So I'm going to show you exactly the kind of makeup I do for a Zoom call and the kind of makeup you all should be doing, because being in a professional capacity and being on a Zoom call means this pretty much becomes the center of attention, right? So while it has to look professional, neat, presentable and energetic, that's important because you need to be able to project energy in your video call. You can't overdo the makeup, right? You don't want to do a very bright lip and stuff like that, because then it just looks like you're wearing makeup. So I'm going to show you how to do a really quick natural look which is professional and super easy to do for a Zoom call. Are you excited? Okay, so I'm going to start. I just washed my hair and it's up because it's wet, so I'm going to take 3 minutes and quickly dry this mess with a hairdryer and be right back. And I'm back. So all I did was a quick spritz of the hairdryer with a little bit of serum. But now it's time to start. Since I did just come out of the shower, my skin is moisturized, clean, all of that. So I'm not going to get into that. So now it's time to start with the base very quickly. So you know how when you're in a rush, everything seems to be going wrong? Well, guess what I did? I forgot to wash my brushes. I put them away in a bag thinking I'm going to wash them, and I just forgot. So now I'm going to have to do this really quick makeup without using any brushes. Oh, I do have my beauty blender because thank God I can use it when it's wet. So I just washed this, came back, and I can use this. So that's going to be interesting. No brushes, let's just these babies and let's get the makeup done. I don't have a lot of time now. It's already 11:55. That means I have a call starting in the next 20 minutes. I decided to add a little extra cream to the points which I highlight. So, foundation. Attention on the eyes because that's important. I want them to be able to have a point of focus when they're looking at me, and I don't want it to be my lips, but I do want definition in the eyes because it really helps connect, especially when the person's not in front of you. Actually have that connect. You won't be able to get the person to look at you in your eyes, right? So that's what I'm gonna do. Drawn on a fairly thick liner, if you've noticed, but that's because it kind of is in proportion with the size of my eyes. You don't have to make it as thick, but just angle your eyeliner always upwards towards the corner, so thinner on the insides and thicker on the outsides to create that perfect eye shape. Now I'm going to use a little bit of kajal just on the outer corners. Otherwise, if you see that it's really heavy on the upper lid and my lower lid looks kind of bald. So, kajal time. And the one thing I think you should never do anything without is mascara. And because mascara is so important, I'm doing a completely separate tutorial on everything about mascara. It's going to be out in 24 hours. Don't miss it. So you see what mascara does? Now quickly lip liner and nude lipstick. That's it. This is my zoom look. Focus on the eyes, everything else defined. There's a little bit of color, not too much. It's professional looking, very presentable, and on screen it doesn't look like too much. Let me change and show you what I'm gonna be wearing and I'm back. What do you think? Professional enough? That should work. So I'm ready. I'm gonna see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Do give some love to this video and check out the Essential Makeup class. I'm going to see you next time. This is Vibhinta from the Essential Makeup Series.